ESGK Company Limited's human body static elimination gate measures static electricity from the worker's body and discharges. In the event of an emergency with a risk of explosion, such as a gas leak or steam generation in a factory, a larger fire or explosion may occur due to the static electricity charged to the body of the worker. To prevent this, it is a gated product that removes static electricity by increasing the humidity, by supplying moisture to the body of the worker before entering the explosion zone. The human body static elimination gate can measure from -20,000 volts to +20,000 volts. And when a high voltage occurs, static electricity figures can be checked with a large display at the top along with a red alarm. The property of the moisture being supplied to the human body and discharging the static electricity has both South Korean and United States patents. This is designed to maintain humidity for about an hour depending on your situations in use and work safely.